Now we'll be showing you the normal job posting in Naukri.com. We have already logged in. I have shown how to do the login. Then we have to go here, job and responses, post a classified job. So this will come. It is better to give, if you are doing for consulting organization, it is better to give this option, multiple companies. Miscellaneous about the company, multiple manufacturing, travel and tourism, okay, fine. Company address is Kolkata. It's a basic idea that as a recruiter you are giving to the candidate. As a normal course of action, you cannot disclose the name of the company. Job title.
In job title, you have to write the name of the job. So easily the candidate can identify what is the job role. In department, you have to write the position belong to which department, like accounts, finance, HR, marketing, sales, like this. In role, you have to specify the function of the candidate. Now you need to mention the number of years of experience you need from the candidate. In this space, you need to mention the range of the CTC you are looking for from the candidate. If you tick here, the candidate will not be able to see the CTC which is mentioned in the job post. The variable part of the salary like incentive and other perks. In this area, you can mention the location of the job like posting where the candidate will be posted. You need to mention the number of vacancy here. Then click on next. Here mention the skills which is required from the candidate. Here you need to mention the academic qualification of the candidate. Job details is where you will be writing the details of the job, like job content, the job description. You have to mention here. Now click next. Now click next. As you see, there are some other questions. They are very easy. You can write as per your choice. You can mention or change the email ID where you want to receive the CVs. You have to mention that email ID.
The mail ID, then done. Then you have to click it here, post the job. It will get live in 10 minutes time. So you have understood how to do job posting. Thank you.